What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Quant and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So by popular demand, because everyone's been asking for it, we're going to take another quick look at Quant here. We are heading on a trip today for a few days, so we will be making these videos short and sweet. But you can see quite clearly that, Quant has been on an absolute tear over recent times, hasn't it? I mean, ever since, what is this? Ever since the crash, really. We had the crash in May where we came all the way down to around, $22, $23 for Quant, all the way down here. But obviously we had pretty much had this perfect V-shaped recovery, didn't we? Came all the way back up to this really strong level of support that we can see here at around $36 for Quant. It's basically been holding, for Jesus, this is like the strongest level of support we've ever seen. One touch, two. There's so many touches of this on our daily time frame here. We've come down to this level, pretty much perfectly bounced off of it every single time, as you can see. And then obviously since then, we've really started to get ahead of steam up for Quant, haven't we? Especially considering all the bullish news it's been receiving, potential adoption for CBDCs, and just a general, potential integration with all kinds of different stuff. Fundamentally, the fundamentals have been looking really nice. And obviously you can see that's being reflected on the technicals. We have started to break out of this kind of ranging pattern that we have been seeing for Quant. You could say it was basically stuck in a range like this for essentially a long ass time here, but we did get a bit of a fake out to the upside. Then obviously the crash basically stunted its growth, but it has, over the past few months really started to pick up, hasn't it? You can see quite clearly that we've actually broken out of resistance here, flipped it into support really nicely, and then we've started to come up, got overextended here, overbought obviously, started to come back down again, retesting that previous resistance to support, which is really good to see. And obviously over the past few weeks we've absolutely flown out the gates with Bitcoin essentially getting that pickup in the market. And you can see, we've come all the way up from what we came down here with Bitcoin, dropping below 30k for essentially a few hours. We came all the way down to $56-ish before we absolutely pumped up all the way about 230%, all the way to $186, nearly $200 up here before getting really overbought. And now it looks as though the price is coming back down somewhat, but we're looking really strong for Quant, aren't we? We obviously had this we had this channel outlined here that we did seem to be trading upwards inside of, more or less. As you can see, since the crash we kind of created 1 touch, 2 touch, and then 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, 4 touch. We were trading upwards inside this channel. But with the recent Bitcoin pump, we have actually seen ourselves break out this channel and back test it here. And Quant is showing a lot of strength in general, isn't it? You can see the volume is increasing. The volume in general is going up and up and up like this. So the interest in this crypto is going up and up. Not to mention it's obviously been listed on Binance in the past week or so. So really, things looking really strong for Quant, for just in general, for adoption and notoriety in the space. There's a lot more people trading it now, we think. So in general, it's getting a lot more volume and a lot more attention. And the price is obviously going up as a result as well. I mean, this was trading at around, about a year. This is like, what is this, 6 months ago? Trading at around $30, and then we're all the way up almost to $200. So you would have made a really nice 5 or 6x on this. I think it's around a 5x from $30, isn't it? Was it 6? It'd be a 6x, wouldn't it? Because it's 3 times 6 is 180. Yeah. 30 times 6 is 180, so you would be looking at about 6x if you bought this back in February. So really good cryptocurrency. We have actually had we actually bought a bag of this basically back when it was around $30 or $40, somewhere back here. And obviously it has started to take off since then, because it is starting to get some use around the world, some use for potential CBDCs, etc. And it's starting to break out of all these key resistances, isn't it? It's getting very overextended though, so just be cautious that it may come back down inside this channel. Obviously, when you get really overbought like this, the market is like a rubber band, and you will probably snap back to reality, as it were, because you can't stay overbought like this forever and ever. Obviously, you can stay overbought for a while, but eventually you are going to have to come back down, and obviously the more parabolic you move up, the more chance of coming back down. But we would be anticipating potentially doing something similar to before, where we flip support into resistance, or we have that SR flip like we did here. You basically break through a resistance, flip it into support. So if we break through resistance here, we could come back down, flip it into support, maybe at around this $100-ish level, and then start to pick up again, because obviously this we'll leave this channel in here for now and see if it has any credence in the next time we do a video on Quant. But you can see quite clearly we're having a really nice pump recently, aren't we? But just be cautious that you don't get start buying the top of Quant, because it could very easily at these kinds of prices, when you're overbought, start to come back down in a big way. So just be careful. Try not to buy massive pumps. Not financial advice, of course, but it's pretty obvious that you don't want to be buying cryptocurrencies after they've pumped, what is this, essentially 230% in the space of almost 2 weeks, because more than likely you're probably going to open yourself up to the downside potentially. And it does look as though with the market having a nice little retracement, Bitcoin, etc., that we're probably going to see potentially some a bit of a retracement for most cryptos. So just keep an eye on that. But Quant looking really strong, isn't it? And we do anticipate Quant could potentially be coming up to some very nice extensions by the end of the bull run. So I mean, if we're just looking at this, it seems pretty likely to us that, considering the fundamentals as well, and the market cap of Quant being so low, we could easily be seeing, we would say, at least $500 to maybe even 1K for Quant, essentially by the end of the bull run in the next 6 to 8 months. But obviously you can see here, performing very well. It's already come up to around $200 from $30, so we would say $500-ish very achievable, which is only around a 2.5x from here, and then maybe even $1,000 and beyond, depending on how much of a pump we get by the end of the bull run. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.